We guide you through how to cancel your follow request on Instagram quickly and easily. Start by opening the Instagram app and going to your profile. Tap the three lines menu in the top right corner, then choose your activity. Scroll down and select Interactions, then tap Following. Here, choose See All, and you'll find a list of all the contacts you've requested to follow but haven't been accepted yet. Simply tap Cancel or Unfollow beside any username you want to remove. If you want to double check, you can also go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Center, and look under Connections to find pending requests on linked accounts. This method works the same on both iPhone and Android. And once you cancel a request, the user won't get notified. You just instantly remove it and clean up your follow list.